Alright, so today we are finally going to be bottling. Wouldn't actually be super handy if I could just do that, but can't do that. So, honestly, guys, I'm not even sure why I didn't think of this, but that would totally 100% work. Sanitize this, sanitize that, on, off. That'd be perfect. Again, it's a learning process. Glad you guys can be here with me for it. I made my nice little adapter, which will go on right there. First, I'll grab our sanitizer and just sanitize that, just because anything beer touches should be sanitized. In you go. Okay, so we're going to see how this goes. I'm not sure what happens when I turn this on, if this will be strong enough to keep that together. Just a little extra sanitizer, it doesn't hurt, but we'll find it together, won't we? So, we'll get some of the bottles that I sanitized the other day on deck. And we'll give this a go. Okay. Alright, that makes sense because there's no pressure, and then as I push this down. Okay, so far so good. And then didn't think about this part. Need to have a bottle ready to go already. And off she goes. Alright, so I guess we'll just move all the bottles to the ground. Oh, guys, here's an important thing. Move the airlock. And there, it's filling up much quicker now. So there's two. Smelling good so far, looking pretty freaking good as well. That's holding out quite well. Guys, we're not doing too badly here. I mean, I know I shouldn't be surprised. It's not my first time bottling, but it is kind of from a fermenter directly. And so far, everything's been pretty clear, which has been awesome. Alright, let's close it off and see how this drains. And it doesn't. Damn science and fucking pressure and all that stuff. Well, shoot. So, now what? Unscrew this. Not spill any beer in the process. And see how it all turns out. Okay. And there you go. Drained it into the bottle. And off we go. Right. Time to bottle. As some of you may have seen on previous posts, I did start to laser engrave some of these. Unfortunately, these are none of those because these are golds and there's a silver. I just tossed the silver. But it didn't show up very well on the gold ones, so I need to order more. Black seems to be the winner, but anyway, not in this case. So they will go into some sanitizer. And then for this one, I'm going to be using carbonation drops. Nothing crazy, just, I'll show that to you there, but looks like a candy. Definitely feels like a sugar candy, but Cooper's carbonation drops. So you'll throw one of these in to the bottle, and that's it. And it will self-carbonate as opposed to using priming sugar. The reason I'm using these guys is because normally I would use a priming sugar, but I put all the beer into a big bucket. And in this case, I'm not doing that because I'm only bottling 8 beers. I'm going to keg the rest. So doing the math on how much priming sugar, water, and then mixing and making sure that they were all equally carbonated was going to be a little tricky. So I feel like this is kind of a bit of a cop out, nice and easy cop out though. So like I said, kind of just one per bottle here. First time actually using these, so we'll see how they go. So again, those are just Cooper carbonation drops. If these blow up, I will definitely let you guys know, but hopefully they don't. So, and then if you guys have never seen bottle capping, it's actually quite satisfying. And of course, we will need a silver one. So get that one in there, and that's that. So move the sanitizer out of the way a bit. Don't really have to, but you know, just me, I'm a little overcautious. So pop that on there. And there you go. Nice, capped, easy to go. So that's one down. Here we go. There you have it. 8 ready to go. And then I'm going to keg the rest of it. But for the time being, that's how you bottle beers. Very simple. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, there will be stickers coming soon because that just looks very naked, and we'll get a sticker on there. So those will come soon. But yeah, that's that. Cheers, guys. So ignore everything I just did, except for the bottling part. The capping part was good. You could definitely just... And there we go. Fill on up, and... Whoop. And there you go. Oh, she's leaking a little bit, sure. There's another bottle. I think the problem was I'm used to working with the bottle filler nozzle. I can't think of the word right now, but I worked backwards. I was like, okay, this is what I need to use to fill up bottles. How do I attach it to this? Not thinking, hey, I just go directly to it. So there you go. Just one of those silly things where I overthought it, and this is much easier than I need it to be. But yeah, see you later.